Hi friends, welcome again to my channel. Today in our kitchen it is very exciting because we are making keto low carb seed bread. Actually it is a multi-seed bread, and as you all know, seeds are very healthy for any kind of diet that you're following, even for people who have leaky gut syndrome or gut dysbiosis. Enough chit chat, let's get started with our ingredients. Over here I have the Psylium husk and the chia seeds, raw pumpkin seeds, hemp hearts or hemp seeds. And over here is the baking powder. This is aluminum free baking powder, and I have the freshly ground flax seed. And over here is the Celtic salt. You can also use Himalayan pink salt, which is rich in minerals. And over here I have the egg whites, and I have melted coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil, unrefined. And then over here is our organic unsweetened coconut milk. You want to make sure this is unsweetened coconut milk because we are in a low carb diet over here, so you don't want to add any sugar into this recipe. And I have my big bowl ready just to mix our ingredients. First, as usual, goes the wet ingredients. I'm just going to add these. One good tip about this recipe: never add eggs. You can also take eggs and separate your egg whites, but never add the egg because it is not going to blend well and it is very hard to work with. So I'm just going to give it a whisk. Okay, now I'm going to add the Psylium husk. And all the measurements are in the description box, so do not worry about that. And the chia seed. And the reason why we are grounding the flaxseed is to save the micronutrient, because when you put the raw or the roasted flaxseed, it is not going to absorb any nutrients. So that's the reason why we are doing the ground flaxseed powder. You can also add sunflower seeds or sesame seeds. It doesn't matter, any seeds of your choice. The baking powder, salt. Okay. Now the mixture is very well combined. I'm just going to let it sit for like 10 minutes so it is all glutinized and very well combined, and then we are going to put it in the oven. I'll be back. Alright, as you can see, it's been 10 minutes and our mixture has really thickened up because the chia seeds and the flax seed powder has eaten up a lot of our water and the liquidy stuff, the moisture. So now I have my bread pan, loaf pan here, and I'm just going to grease it with olive oil. You can also use a parchment paper. Never use wax paper for this recipe, only parchment paper. I'm just going to grease the sides too. And now I'm just going to put it in. Okay, now I'm going to flatten it with my spatula here. We just have to make sure there is no holes or any gaps in between. If not, it is going to break and the bread won't be as delicious or as fluffy as we want it to be. And here we go. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray a little bit of the oil on top. Alright, while I'm doing that, my oven is on preheat for 325 degrees, and it is getting ready to go in my oven for 325 degrees for 60 minutes, and I'll be back. Alright guys, our bread is ready and it is really fluffy, and I just did a toothpick test and it flopped down, but it's still very yummy and tasty. And here we go, is our bread. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my cutting board and I'm just going to flip it through and cut it. Okay, flip it in, and there we go. Yeah, I would rather wait for 30 to 40 minutes after you take it out of the oven so it can steam down and it's easy to cut. But here we go. Beautiful, huh? And it is very well done, and I just can't wait to taste it. And I'm just going to flip it and show you how it looks on the other side here, and we can go ahead and use our butter knife to cut it. Oh, clean and very nice. Okay guys, our low carb keto super seed bread, and hope you like it, and we love it, and I just can't wait to taste it with my family. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel.